I can send you mine.
Alright, let's do this. Check. Okay. Good now.
I'll send you mine too. Send mine too.
So this is Mr. Farhan's chart.
Okay. So basically, I have created the support and resistance on the basis of 1 hour and 4 hour. So right now, if you see, like the current 4 hour hasn't broken the upper side and it's coming down, and but it has already broke the previous 4 hour to the lower side, right? So we're looking for this bearish momentum, but right now if you see at 1.35842 the 4 hour support, so I'm thinking like it will touch that area and like come back from there, from the 4 hour support.
Okay.
Right now. And in the next, so the area in purple, so it was ranging in this area. It's like a strong ranging area, and even right now this lower zone is also a range. So basically it's just ranging in these two zones right now.
Yes.
And the blue line which I created, basically it was the, if it breaks above the next 4 hour candle, which will start at 9 a.m. if it crosses that blue line, so it is breaking to the upside to the 4 hour, that blue line at 36128.
Yeah.
And that yellow line below that is the flip of the daily. So if it is going bullish, so it will flip at the daily will flip at 6080, and if it breaks above the blue line, if it breaks it, so the 4 hour will be broken, so then I will take a buy if it goes up. Right now, if it's from that 4 hour support, which is at 1.35842, so from there I want to see like it making, like it can go like either ways, like up or down from that support. If it closes below this 4 hour support, then it's going down. We have a clean move towards down, but if it is going up, then I will take it after that blue line if it is going for buys. Before that, it's just ranging.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Mr. Omar.
Yeah. Right now, if I look at it, it's in a very dirty range, but I was anticipating it to come down to the 4 hour 30-minute support that's been created. Play around here. If you want to do like really good sell, I would say the safe sells would be around the 1 hour and 4 hour below break.
Yeah.
But if you want to play in the range, let it make a new low right now in this range, then retest a little bit on the middle line. I did mark it, but it was just a like a little resistance that was created earlier on, and just try to bring it down to test the second 1 hour or 4 hour low.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Buys if somebody wants to do it as a 1 hour and 30 minutes high broken.
Let's take a look. So the major support area is like around here, and even just like right here. This is major support. So this daily came down to the major support and it rejected. It's pulling back up right now. Looking at the 4 hour, yeah, this shit just ranging. But the previous 4 hour candle closed bullish.
Yeah.
So that kind of indicates like a support. So now if this current 4 hour closes above that line, like Mr. Farhan said, it should continue going up. If it closes below, it should fall down.
2 minutes.
Yeah. So if it's closing above, it should continue going up. But it's closing bearish as well.
Yeah.
Let's look at the smaller time frame. 1 hour came down, made a support, went bullish. This one here is probably because of the resistance at the 1 hour. I feel like this could break to the upside. But better buys overall is above here. 3,6,500.
Yeah, but we're like 60 pips away from that.
So now
Can't see your screen, run. Your screen stopped sharing.
Yeah.
so now if it is going for a bearish momentum, so I want to see a rejection from 35945 area, where it's like 4 hour resistance. So it should tap there and then flip.
Let's see.
He wants to see a rejection on the body. Right here.
Rejection on what? Right here? No.
On the body, and then it will flip.
Maybe, but because this one closed bullish, right?
Yeah.
Near the support, and then this one closed above the support, so this one should continue going up.
Yeah, but it has to make the lower wick right now.
Why can we not see that it is also, it can be a possibility that not the previous 4 hour candle, this one closed bearish and it has also broken the low of the previous bullish candle. So it could be a possibility that it's probably making a resistance here to bring it down.
Yeah, it could be making resistance here, but based on the daily, it already went down there. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Yeah, I feel like this is gonna flip.
Yeah, but it went up. Okay. So let's wait for this at least 15 minutes or 30 minutes to make like a support here and take it up if you guys want to do that.
Yeah. Just wait for this 15 to close. I'm gonna be right back, guys.
Okay.
Please text me if it gets disconnected.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have you seen the price of the oil?
No,
50.
really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So I've seen one thing, like from a few months it's just going up, like it the news or anything is not reflected in oil anymore. Like the gold you can see going up and down because of the news and everything, the vaccination and stuff, but oil is just going up.
That's right.
What do you think, like it will take turn from with where?
Wait a minute, let me see.
From right here, from 3599.
Why?
Or I'm thinking it can go to the body of the 30-minute or 1 hour, it's the same area, to the body, and then
Yeah. The thing is, if you look at the previous 1 hour, that has broken the previous the high.
high, exactly.
So it could be a possibility is making a support here.
To go up.
But the way the previous 30-minute has fell back, that's now.
It's creating lower lows as well.
Yeah. Which time frame are you talking about?
4 hour, 1 hour,
13.
Yeah, 4 hour. Yeah, you're right. It's making lower low. So that is the only concern. True.
Yeah. What's the new 4 hour doing?
What is the resistance which Norhan has created? That is also the flip of the daily, right? So it's almost there. Like I'm thinking like it will touch that area and then bounce back to take a sell from there.
Alright.
You can enter right there. Is that what you're talking about?
No.
Would be possibility it's making an upper wick.
Yes.
4 hour. It hasn't. As soon as the 4 hour started, it just didn't even come down. That's also alarming.
Yeah.
Viewers on YouTube, send the chart if you want.
So it almost tapped into the body of the 1 hour. And if it flips and breaks the previous 1 hour, I would say like we can enter for a sell.
I don't know. I like buys. I feel like, unless if like we're down here.
But if you see like the 4 hour, it is making lower lows.
Lower, it's making higher highs right now. lower lows if like it's making a lower low here.
Yeah, like the previous 3-4 hours.
Sorry, it's making
The
a
low
higher.
break.
It's making a higher low. This 4-hour candle. If it breaks this, then it's making a higher high.
Yeah, then
Yeah.
it's a buy if it breaks the previous 4 hour.
Yeah.
If it respects it,
Yeah.
like if it goes in the opposite direction right now and breaks the previous 1 hour, we can take it to the wick flow. The 4 hour.
Yeah. It just this previous 1 hour candle. That's
Yes.
annoying. But let's check news though. So go to Forex Factory. Gucci Mane gives wife $1 million as a push present. Fuck that. Unemployment claims. Seems that it's less than the forecast. Less forecast is good for currency. It came out to 787 instead of 798. So that means it's good for the dollar. The pound should drop. Oh, but we have ISM service PMI 10 o'clock. Who's breathing into the mic?
Don't know. Probably was me. Look at 15 minutes.
Eight viewers. Let us know where you guys from and how long you've been trading.
It's kind of rejecting now, right?
Downside?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nora, one thing like if the previous candle is broken on 30 minutes, so from that wick to the support you created, how many pips are there?
Yeah, about like 5 pips.
5 pips, okay. You think like it can go to the bottom of this 1 hour support after the if it closes below this gray line?
Yeah. It will. I just want to see if the news is gonna play a role right here, because the pound should go down based on the unemployment claims. But what happened yesterday, I feel like it should have taken effects today.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the capital shit. I think it should take effect. Like, we should see the dollar drop and pound go up.
just reading guys for a second.
I feel like if this flips, this current 15 minutes candle flips up to here, I might enter for a buy. But we'll see. I just don't want to rush into it. Sells would be better when it's broken here.
I'm still my bias is for sells.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait for the next candle to come and break the low.
Yes.
Hi, gang. Guys, sorry to leave. I'll probably catch you guys later in the day, alright?
No problem.
Okay.
Take your shot.
Good luck.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Take care. Bye. So if you're looking for a sell, so the stop loss will be a little bit huge, even on 15 minute.
Yeah. You would have already been in profit.
Yeah, from the body I was talking about at 1 hour body.
Yeah.
If you go to 1 hour, yeah, it almost tapped there.
If we get it to come here this low, we could probably anticipate the push down
Exactly.
the 1 hour low.
Sorry, come again. What was that?
If it breaks if this one flips to the current hour low, we could anticipate it down, to move down before breaking in the previous wick. But if this 30 minutes closes bullish, then it's gonna go up.
Yeah.
Wow.
Alright, so you guys ready soon?
So are we waiting for that 15 minute to break or?
There's actually 2 minutes. So just wait for this to close. And wait for the next one to break that low. entered.
What if this one breaks it?
Breaks what? The previous low?
Yeah.
Then re-enter.
The way it's moving, it's gonna break it.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Are we entering?
Just wait for this candle to
1 hour?
close.
Yeah, because it might close without a wick.
Yeah.
It has broken it. Let the next channel pop out a little up.
No FOMO.
It's respecting the previous 1 hour right now.
Wait a minute.
Almost broke the previous 1 hour. Yeah.
No wick.
Oh, what the fuck?
I entered.
I didn't. It's the bitch. The fuck it this didn't give me second time.
Wow, stop loss is big.
Okay. I'm in. Holy, look at the stop loss.
Yeah. Too wild.
That's okay, it has broken the 1 hour. It will come down. Are you in?
Yeah.
Just came on my TP and didn't pick it up.
Damn.
Can you imagine?
Should reject from here.
This is where my TP was. It came right on top of it and picked up. Annoying.
Yeah, this zone right here is it's hard to break through.
Boys, get ready. Hit your TPs this time.
Yeah.
Shit.
Here it is.
Here it is. It is. Oh shit! Just came on top of it. Come on, you muppet. What the f...
Nice.
Out.
I'm out too. Nice. Yeah, I'm happy I'm out.
Yeah, me too. This was one. Basically, it. This is what I was. This goal zone was the one I was scared of.
The zone here?
Sorry. No, they where it touched it. The just on the line where it tapped.
Yeah.
Because it was respected by like. What about you, Farhan?
Yeah, I'm like I closed 90%, but there is a runner.
Nice. As long as it's secured. Most of it. Let's see. Should come down one more time. Let's go. If you guys on YouTube took this sell and secured, give it a like and subscribe.
See, I think I mentioned it somewhere when the 4 hour started as doing a wick fill. No, sorry, creating an upper wick.
Yeah.
Good. So I'm happy, man. It was. We scammed 8 people.
We scam the market. I'm gonna get a coffee, guys.
Okay.
Ron, you still holding your runner?
Yeah.
Good job, man. It didn't stop you out when it went up on a break even?
No, actually I kept it where it created the wick. I just closed it right now. So where this current 30-minute created the wick, I just put the stop loss there, not on break even. Like at 35900.
Now I think it's gonna come down to.
Yeah, but I closed it now.
Yeah, it should come down till 35.67.
Yes, that's the idea. But only at 30-minute, if you see, on the left-hand side, it has that. Oh, but it's breaking it.
Oh man, there wasn't a support. That wasn't a support. That was just like a thing.
But good. So actually, there was no confirmation on the upside where I said like we can take a sell, but I had the strong feeling like it will reject from that area, from the body of the 1 hour, because the only bias was like it hasn't created any lower wick.
No.
And now we can say like it will go for the wick fill, or at least to the 4-hour support. The next
Good
one.
trade. We would have gotten like 10 pips. Did you take close? It will come down to 67.
Yeah.
Holy shit. What?
Yes, sir.
What?
Yes, sir. Only if you had left our runners.
Holy shit, what happened?
Don't know. I think what happened is we didn't leave our runners.
Yeah. Mr. Farhani secured, eh?
still holding it.
Oh yeah, savage.
Farhan, you still holding it?
Sorry, I was on mute. No, I closed it
Ah,
because you're great on 30-minute. If you see, there was a small support or resistance to the left, so I just closed it there.
13 pips from where I entered. Pips from where I took my position out.
savage.
I'm sure same for you, Nuran.
Yeah. Let me check.
It's just dropping. There's a wick. It will do the wick fill for the 4 hour.
It's about 21 pips.
Where you pulled out?
Oh, from where I pulled out. Oh. No, let me see. I pulled out at 783.
783?
Yeah.
So you probably entered before me then.
No, just went and broke right here. The low of the.
Oh,
30
783. Okay.
Yeah.
I came out at 782.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Oh man, it would have been $100 day for you.
Oh,
Pretty easy.
It's okay. It's been good this week though.
Yeah.
You're out for the week, Omar?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm up.
Farhan, you gotta move to big lots, man. I'm telling you.
Yeah, I know.
I swear it's different. Like you will close faster. That's for sure.
Exactly. True. So basically, the same thing I was doing, just using the profit from this week
Nice.
for today's trade. Like yesterday, I was on break even, no gain. But from Monday and Tuesday, I was just using that one.
Good job.
Today. So I will just continue that one. And whatever I will gain for this week, I will just try to leverage it in next week.
Very good.
Yeah, because for me, if you remember, I made like $9 the first day, $7 if you remember. Then after that, it has been good, like averaging like 20. So
yeah, you guys are cutting out. Can't hear you.
I'm almost like 3% on my.
Nice.
I think I'm almost like 3%. Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah.
So, are you guys allergic to anything? Like peanuts or something?
I don't think so.
Drawdowns.
Allergic to drawdowns.
Drawdowns, yeah.
So, when are we meeting up? This Saturday or is it next Saturday, the 16th?
You said next Saturday.
If anything.
Okay, next
Yeah,
Saturday.
you said next Saturday, yeah.
That's good. It's better. Next Saturday, 16th, yeah.
It's pulling back from the 4 hour support.
We actually played the range. Like, nice.
Yeah. because I think so for this particular week, whenever we come in the morning, it's in this particular area.
Yeah. But you know, at 10 there's gonna be.
No, this one is a.
What's that?
Guys, tomorrow is an NFP.
Yeah.
So are we trading or not?
Yeah, we'll be here. It's gonna happen at 8:30 anyway, so we're gonna pass it. Guys, the scary days are over. Brexit. That was the hardest one. So did Brexit happen finally?
Yeah, true.
Omar, do you know?
Sorry. Come again. I was just on the mute.
I was saying.
What's the question?
Did Brexit happen?
Yeah, Brexit is done last week.
But
just
did it
before.
happen? Is it officially?
Yeah.
Like UK out of the.
Yeah.
Okay.
The UK. Yeah. I think so. Yeah.
So we have nothing to worry about.
Not right now. There have been no talks so far.
Yeah. Like half the amount of position I went with today, just to manage risk.
There too.
Oh man, yes, thank you for reminding me. I have to. Yeah, like we had like 9 viewers watching, and then it lagged, went down to 3.
Yeah.
But what's crazy, every single day before I take a trade, it starts lagging. Usually around 9 to 30.
That's right.
Saying a lot of traders accessing the market. Nice.
I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. I have a feeling the next candle, 15 minutes, if it closes like this and it breaks it, it's just falling.
We respected this resistance here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Can you look at my Euro USD breakdown and recap? Can you? Okay, you send the chart. Nice. Rocket Trader FX. Let's look at this. Just give me a minute. Oh, alright, let's look at this. Euro USD. Price made at equal highs, which indicate a reversal. Price also made a lower lows, indicating low, weaker bullish momentum. So did you take already this? You took this trade already, right? Can you look at my breakdown and recap? Yeah, this is the trend. where's your confirmation? I don't see that. Like after the order block was created. Euro USD.
Oh shit. Holy.
So the trade that you took was a really good trade, like really nice trade. You managed it like nice. The only thing I would say, the stop loss, like you would have to put it that far out, like above this current candle, like the bearish candle. If you put the stop loss over here, you should have been good. You didn't have to bring it to the highest high, which is here. Unless if you want it to be like super safe and not get stopped out. But otherwise, it's a really good swing trade. It took probably like 2 hours. My confirmation was when price rejected off the order block. Yeah.
Is it me or the chart looks really clean?
This chart here? Yeah.
The whole pair.
I know, yeah, super clean. Wow.
Like new highs, retest, new highs, retest.
Yeah.
New lows, retest, new lows, retest.
Look at the hourly though.
So sweet.
You could have probably taken another sell when it broke this low here to target this area.
Yeah.
But really good trade though. If you secured that many pips, let's see how much is that. About 70 pips. Wow. You should be good for the week. How long you been trading Euro USD? Rocket trader.
Oh, look at GU, man.
Oh yeah. Wow.
15 minute. Look at the 15 minute.
It's about to drown.
We all know what's gonna happen.
Yeah. But none of us gonna
Who's-
take it.
So who is entering when it breaks the next 1 hour?
I'm not entering. I'm good. I would want to, but there's no point. I'm up. If I was down, I'll take a second trade.
No overtrading.
Yeah. About 9 months. Oh, nice. You only trading one pair, like your USD, for 9 months, or you trade other different pairs? Because we've been trading like GU for about 9 months, 10 months, or something like that. Straight.
And we chose this pair at the worst of times.
Yeah, hardest times. Brexit times.
Hardest time. Brexit time, COVID times, vaccination times,
Stimulus.
election times, elections,
Yeah, stimulus.
stimulus,
Yeah.
CERB, CRB, CREB, whatever it is.
Lockdown.
Unemployment rates.
What was that?
Unemployment rates.
Yeah, unemployment rates.
Yeah, well, no, we have an employment now. I've got the job, bro. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I don't know how. In the middle of a pandemic. And he couldn't find one when the whole world was working.
Yeah.
I'm thinking we're gonna probably see Nawaf soon.
Yeah,
Yeah,
when you bang some salaries.
yeah, when he banks some salary.
Yeah. Yeah.
If he doesn't by the end of this year, I'm removing him.
Yeah, it's been, in the beginning he used to be like
I'm not
commenting
coming.
on our results.
No, first
Yeah,
he
before,
was like, I'm not
yeah,
coming.
yeah. First it started off as I'm not coming, then it was every day. Then it moved down to like few days.
Yeah.
Sometimes, then it's like
Now
I'm out.
he's least bothered.
Then appreciating our results.
Yeah. Like now he likes it on Instagram, like the winnings and the profits, losses. Soon he's gonna stop.
I think he's done with trading.
I hope not.
Yeah.
Because
I
if I
hope
was
not, too.
if I was living there, like I would want to do this.
Well, that's the reason he has stopped, because he's living there, bro.
Ah, that sucks.
Yeah.
But there's like everything around you is like cheap, so
Things are pretty laid back there. That's the thing.
yeah, they're laid back. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, laid back. You're just.
There's no worries that you have to
There's
get
no
it.
worries.
Yeah.
Yeah. You've got a circle of friends that you hang out with and all that, right? So
Yeah,
you're comfortable. Let me put it this way.
that's true. I mainly trade EU, GJ, GU, and GOL. Oh, gold. Okay. We only look at one pair. We only take one winning trade a day. I hope you took this sell today with us.
Just hovering around the 4-hour support that was created earlier on.
Yeah, now like depends where August 15th is gonna close. Closes below this line, should continue moving down.
Yeah.
Goes above.
Sean will be upset if he hasn't taken this trade.
Any trade? He said he will be upset if he hasn't taken any trade.
Sorry, your voice was breaking up.
You said he would be upset
So-
if he didn't take any trade.
Yeah.
It's not good.
So, Noran, there's a paper trade. Like if this 1 hour is broken,
If this hour is broken.
and then we can take a sell till. Let me see.
I still have my target, the overall target at 35,500 area.
Yeah. Same. When you were at the coffee, when you went to coffee,
Yeah.
me and Farhan were there. We were talking about it. That it's gonna come till this point where it is right now, like 35.67 area. That was like it was like 4 or 5 pips away. But who was that? I was talking to Sean yesterday. I was like, now we should have we are at the stage that we should now start getting confident on the where the TPs should be. Entries are okay. Like, where do you want to take the trade to? Till which point? That should be the confident, right?
Yeah.
You see, where I pull out my first, where I pull out my trades, and I think you pulled it out the same spot. It was more than 5 pips, but I knew this is like a rejection zone. And you knew too, I think you took out the same spot, right? 783, 782.
Yeah.
And it did bounce back from there for a bit. We were glad.
Yeah. Just in time.
Or we can do one thing, like just stick to the plan where we like target 5-6 pips, but close only 80% of it.
Yeah. 87.
And leave the runner to the target. Sorry. Yeah. and leave it to the runner like that 20% or 10% to the TP, whatever the TP is, 10 pips, 15 pips, or
I mean, honestly, we could get like 30, 20 pips, right? But we're gonna have to. The thing is, we're gonna see like 5, 10 pips, and it's gonna reject to be in like 8 pips negative, and then we'd go back and forth, and they're just gonna give you that. He's not gonna make you as confident. It's gonna take longer, you know. So the best way, like I feel like how Ricky would do it, is scalp it fast. As soon as you see profit, close it in. Like
That's it.
if you look at the older videos, we used to target like long targets, you know, like this one for example.
true.
I mean, I think ideal is like 7, 6, 7, 10 pips max, you know. Because the thing is, if we are train ourselves on such numbers, then tomorrow we'll be so sure that we can go with high lots. Imagine you were in with like 5 lots, for example.
Mm-hmm.
You probably would not even wait for 5 pips.
Yeah, probably not. Maybe 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. But all depends on the setup too. Like this one is in the range, like today.
Yeah, and you see, Farhan, you know, at the earlier when we started the stream, you said that, you know, it's going to tap the 1 hour body and come back from there.
Yeah, it's
If you would have
40%.
gone there, that would have been good trade. But what I have realized, and I was looking back on the trades where there have been some losses and everything, I was speaking to Shan about it as well. I was journaling it. I think majority of the losses that I personally have taken it through those trades.
I know. So that's the reason I stopped.
And
Like without
yeah,
any confirmation.
yeah, because what happens is now, and I was telling Shan this, that, you know, our aim is to 5 to 7 pips, right?
Mhm.
So
Exactly.
only because of the 5 and 7 pips, why we are risking a trade where we are not even sure, because there are 2 reasons to it. It's not only about losing the money, it's about your confidence is going to go like down the drain, because it happened with me, right?
Mhm.
I don't, and because of that you miss out on the right setups, on the proper
Exactly.
setups.
Yeah.
Right? And and if it's about 5 and 7 pips, right, we waited, and this one was like a big 20 pip drop, right? I know that
Exactly.
would have been like an extra 20 pip drop, but there's no
Confirmation
skill of,
that one.
yeah, you'll never learn it. Let me put it this way.
Yeah,
Every time
true.
this will
I agree.
happen, you'll never be sure if it's gonna break it or if it's just gonna go and hit with SL. At least in this way, if I would have my SL, you know, I could have journaled the trade, why and how it happened. But with that, you can't even journal it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So because it was going bullish, so we were going opposite, like counter turning
Yeah.
it, right?
Yeah.
Which is
Yeah.
wrong, because you never know
So-
from where it will stop.
Yeah.
Mm.
So when that 30-minute flipped, and as soon the 1 hour was broken, that was the perfect confirmation. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
And it still gave you those 5, 7 pips. In fact, it fell like 15 pips from where I pulled out, basically, right? So now, if I'm looking at it, slowly and gradually, probably we'll go with 2 positions. Let's put it this way: split 2 positions. One take it on 5, 7 pips. Other one just let it go, put it on the break even. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, no issues.
Lauren, one question.
Yeah.
I had some shares for Husky, okay?
Yeah.
And Husky has been taken by Synovus now as of 4th January. And on the trading platform, it says it's inactive and it's going through merger. So you can't do anything.
Wait, sorry, say that again. You bought
So-
Husky?
Husky, yeah.
Yeah.
And now Husky has been bought by Synovus. And when I open the trading account, it says like it's going through the merger right now.
Yeah.
So it's inactive.
Oh, like you don't have the option to buy or sell.
Yes, exactly.
And that's on your well simple.
Yes.
Hmm.
So that is like it will be normal after some time after the merger or what?
Yeah, just give it like few more days,
Okay.
and then you should be able to see it like next week or something, like the option where you could
Mhm.
sell it off. Because with well simple is delayed, you know, and that happens on like with bank accounts too, like for investing, but it usually happens within like a day or two, and then you should be able to see it. How long has it been?
Like just this week.
Oh shit, so it's been kind of a while.
Yeah, I'm just sending you the screenshot what it says.
Let's look at Husky stock. But look at the stock market, man, it's flying.
It's blue. Yeah, all blue. Which is good.
Yeah. Let's see.
So I have sent you the screenshot like on the group.
Yeah.
Holy.
Inactive.
And can you see on the top what it says?
Inactive.
Once complete.
No.
Yeah, so it's
I
saying
know.
so it's saying you will be able to action your holdings once complete, right? So
Like when the merger is complete or something.
yeah. So I guess they're just changing right now, like the listing from Husky to something else.
Synovus, because Synovus is also a like oil company and it's better, like it's stronger than Husky.
Sinova?
Synovus,
Sinova's right here.
yes.
Hmm.
I bought this at around $4 or $3.80. Synovus.
Wow. Yeah, November 6th.
Yeah, I have it from $4.
So you're up right now a lot.
Yeah, on Synovus, yes.
100%.
Yeah.
Exactly.
100%.
Yeah. But like honestly,
He
for
bought
me,
like,
yeah,
yeah. Sorry, go ahead.
like when I want to like invest like in a stock, I'll look at the max. I want to see some like growth. You know,
Exactly.
yeah, this one's kind of been like just downhill, like downtrend.
Mhm.
Do you think this year is gonna be oil year?
Like if you see, just go 1 year back, for example.
1 year.
So if you go 1 year,
Mm-hmm.
so you see like it dropped from a 10, right? So for me, the target is 10.
Oh, your target is okay.
And your paper trade is activated.
Oh yes.
Oh, 2%
And it's
dividend.
and the thing is like the big fill of the 4 hour, Umar, that's the first TP and the second TP is 35500.
Oh my god.
Exactly.
So
Yes, you got your first TP.
Yeah. Looking for the second TP at 35500.
Yes, sir. It's coming your way.
yeah, I would say sell it at $10.
Exactly.
But it's good dividends, 2%.
Yeah, and if you go to Cineplex,
Oh, Cineplex is down. You know they sold one of their buildings.
oh yeah, it's going down.
Wow, $9.
Yeah, but if you see 1 year, it was on like 13, right?
Yeah. Ooh,
Who said ooh?
I'm
me.
negative on this one.
It just like it dropped. Ooh.
Yeah, so I'm on negative. So if you see it when it was around 11, 12, I bought it, and I'm on negative.
Oh, when it was 11. Shit. Like around. Did you buy around June or something?
Yeah, something like this time period. So I'm negative in this one.
Yeah, no, Simplex, I don't see any hope. They cut their dividends too, right?
Yeah, exactly. They did.
If they didn't, man, I would have been in still 20%.
And the only thing is like, if you are just holding it for a good long time period, then it is fine. Otherwise, no, it's bad.
Yeah.
Ran, can you imagine it dropped 25 pips from our pulling out game?
Wow.
And it almost hit your second TP, missed by 2 pips,
Yeah.
Farhan.
500.
It will come to 500. There's no way it's gonna stop. Like, well, it might. There, Wix on the left.
Yeah.
Too many
It
Wix
will
on
come
the left.
there.
Farhan,
Next 15. Yeah.
If you're looking to invest like in oil, right?
Mhm.
Exxon.
It's Canadian.
No, this is in this is
Africa.
Shell.
Okay.
You know
I
Shell?
don't do USD.
Yeah, but this one is
Mhm.
like one of many companies, right? That's paying actually 7% dividends.
Oh,
And
nice.
Yeah, like all the other companies that were around this price,
Mhm.
they cut their dividends, like they stopped it, except this company. This company they could go 100 years without making money,
Mhm.
and they could still afford to pay dividends. So
Actually, I didn't want to buy something expensive. Like for me, this stock was expensive.
So when you buy so dividends is annually based, right?
Yes, so you get 7% return.
And not annually, quarterly also. Some company pay 3 months, some pay 4 months, some pay monthly. It depends.
Yeah,
Some
but
pay yearly.
yeah, the dividend yield is like a year, but then it gets divided quarterly. So every 4 months you would get a share of the 7%.
So Nora, yesterday I was looking at something. Let me tell you. It's the penny stock basically for Canada. But drone delivery.
These are the best.
Yeah.
Search for drone delivery. Is there any stock related to that? Drone delivery Canada.
I think Amazon wanted to do that.
Yeah, so it's like 0.80 or something.
Oh,
yeah, the first one.
Oh,
yes.
Shit, there's a stock.
So this is so basically this is something has a future, a long-term future.
Wow. Used to be a lot. What the fuck?
Yeah.
26.
Because recently I was reading they got some approvals to do it within Canada for 10 years.
Yeah. Past 5 years.
I know.
Which land do we call it for Noran?
Which land?
Promised Land.
Promised Land, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this kind of appealing to me still. I could get like 1,000 of this. Just put it there. This is Canadian too, right? This should be cheap.
Yeah, this is Canadian. Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So if you're looking for next 10 years and just forget it, for sure, go ahead.
Look at the name of the CEO.
The CEO, Michael
Zara.
Yeah. The headquarters is in Vaughan.
That's the guy.
Mr. Michael. What's the value of the company?
88 cents.
No.
The value of the company.
It is 171 million.
That's it?
Market cap. Yeah.
They make drones?
No, that's 171 million.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah, 171 million.
I thought 1.7 million. I was like, what? No
and
way.
what was the highest it went to?
It
26.
was like back in 2007. Yeah, 26.
Yeah, 2006, 5, or 18.
Oh, 24, 26.
So imagine the people who bought from there and they're still holding. They're like, oh, in the future.
Their children will be holding it
Yeah.
Wow.
to get that price. Next generation.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what happens if the value of the thing goes below zero? Can it go below zero?
No,
I don't think.
no, it cannot.
Come on, hit the TP. Two more bids.
Omar, did you open an account for stocks?
No, not yet.
Remember you told me you were thinking of doing it in like Ramadan or something.
Yeah, but then Forex took over.
Yeah.
Like if you have something like you can put it aside and just forget it. Like there are few things you can just buy it right now even.
Yeah.
Like if you want something in 6 months, I'm not sure about that, but if you want to just leave it for a year or two, yeah, there are a few things you can put it right now.
Yes.
Okay, that's the highlight of our next meeting because I don't know nothing about it. So
Okay.
you can-
Because obviously, like I'm not good at it, but just making some sense, and just for a long time period. Like I'm not a scalper for stocks, right? People
Yeah.
are there
Yeah, there are
who
a lot
just
of people.
people who do scalping on stocks. I don't know how to do that, but just after making some sense, we can do a few things.
Farhan, when they get 5%, they sell,
Yeah, exactly.
and then they wait until it pulls back a little bit, and then enter again. But like honestly, there's investing and there's trading. You know, so either you want to trade, like when you see profit, you sell it, or you're investing long term. I'm an investor when it comes to stock. I don't want to trade it because I like that dividend money.
how much do you get on average?
How much do you get rich?
No, how much do you get it on average?
Like what dividends?
Yeah.
Okay, so for example, I have 100 shares of this Exxon Mobil, right? So let me see how much they're giving me a year. So a year, 34. I'm getting about 450 a year dividends just from
Okay.
owning 100 shares of this one, Exxon Mobil.
Nice.
So if you divide that by 4,
So Umar, okay,
it would be
it's like
$112.
$100.
Yeah,
Dollars, yeah.
$100 every 4 months.
So Umar, what I did right now with stocks, like I just saw where these things were a year ago or 2 years ago. Anything which was below 50%, okay, I just bought those ones because of cover, right? Anything like just for example, Air Canada, so it was like below 50%.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that is something, after pandemic it will go up eventually. That is something like not be closed forever.
Exactly. If you remember, like the market crash in 2008, it's like the same thing.
Exactly.
Yeah, just a big
So
dip.
so if you just open Air Canada, like people, like there are so many people who just bought it around $15. They sell it on 23 mostly, but it also went to 27 and 28 right now.
Yeah.
But it's very bad to put money in Amazon, Apple,
Yeah.
and Tesla. They are already up. All
Yeah.
these gaming, Zoom, nothing. Don't put money in those technologies right now because they are up because of COVID.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that was only my analysis. You can say a simple analysis.
Mm.
I'm trying to see the drop from 2000.
Ooh, the promised land, the promised land, the promised land. I hit the promised land.
Oh yes. There you go.
Yeah, I know why you're doing that. So you need the most updated one to put it on the thing,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. TP
Yeah.
hits.
Yeah, no, you missed it.
Nah, this is good. At the body. But yeah, Omar.
30
Like,
pips.
so the I'm getting about like 450 a year, which is not much. Like it's decent, but it's not that much. But if you had like 1,000 shares,
Yeah.
that's like 4,000 almost a year.
And how much did you buy them for?
Shit, it was around 42, I think, or no, it was man, it went down to, I bought it at like 40 something, then it dropped to 36. I didn't buy. Then I bought it again at like 39, and then now it's up like 45. So I was buying 50 and then I bought another 50. That's like what you want to do, you know, like you want to divide your positions. But so just like around like 4,000 or something like that.
Alright, okay.
Yeah.
And it must have dropped when the oil prices were coming down, right? Or no?
Yeah, the low. No, it dropped after. Like I think the lowest came down to was 36. Let me see. Yeah, 38. Right here. See, I even drew this line for. Yeah, $31 even. That was wild. It was like a while back in October.
Like 2 months.
Yeah, in October.
Not wild.
This fire.
Yeah.
At that time, I'm like, shit. And at this point, they could cut their dividends, you know, because this stock used to be like $70. No, 100, 101. If this goes up all the way up to here, I'm caking.
Wow. It goes back to 90.
Yeah. But as we could see, there's clean traffic.
It works in this way too, clean traffic?
I swear, like, I was trying to look at like Apple the other day, and I was drawing my lines. Look at that. Like trying to do price action.
Wow.
And where my arrow is to the end, that's where I predicted, like from that candle to where it should go. And look, it went there.
But the thing is, like, yeah, that is true. But most of the time, it's all politics and everything in stocks.
It's the gaps that I don't like.
Yeah, exactly. It will open with such a gap. See those gaps on those weekly candles.
Yeah.
Or daily candles.
Or like it would open high but bearish. That cheeses me. Like this one, for example.
Yeah.
The fuck. Did the TP hit? Smash?
Yeah, it did. Yeah.
Nice. Gonna head out in 2 minutes. 10:30.
Sure.
Omar, you were up since 6, man. Crazy.
I know. Slept at quite late too, like 12:30. Normally I'm in bed by 10:30, 11 max.
Shit.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm heading out.
Take care, Farhan.
I will catch you guys tomorrow.
Yes. We'll be here.
Yeah, take care.
Take care.
Take
Have
care.
a good day. Gonna turn off the stream.
Please.